So if you saw my interview on Pit Road TV, you would know that we actually didn't make it to practice on Thursday, and our motorhome broke down in Paducah, Kentucky, so our day one is kind of short and there's not a lot to it, but we can go ahead and continue the video with day two. Good morning. We're still stuck here in the Kentucky Oaks Mall in Paducah, so we're gonna figure it out though. We're gonna try to race tonight. So at this point, the tow truck showed up to take the motorhome and my dad to the shop. Haley and Christopher showed up to take my mom, the dog, my sister, and the trailer and I to the shop. We ended up dropping my mom and sister off, and then we took off. We went to Haley's grandparents. They ended up saving us, so huge thanks to them. They really saved the day, and we were able to get to the track and actually made hot laps, so. Well, day three, I have some good news and I have some bad news. They already went ahead and gave me the trophy for tonight. But the bad news is we finished 11th last night. Mom and Dad are getting the motorhome now, and I'm here in a motel with the grandparents, so we're gonna be alright.